Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to use Google Chat on iPhone for a full guide. So the first thing you have to do now is just go install the Google Chat application. You can visit your app store and you just need to type in the search button Google Chat, and here is the icon of the Google Chat that you should be downloaded. And after you got this, you just need to go click open to visit the application. And here is the whenever you are first timer using the Google Chat application, so there will be only one button on the below part here. You just need to go click it and you will be bring into the several account options that you can use for the Google Chat applications, and you just need to choose which account that you want to use. And after you've done choosing it, you just need to go click the button of the account, and then it turns into the green or blue color, and after that you just need to go click done on the top left corner here, and that will be bring you into your account and you're all ready to use the Google Chat application. To create a new chat, you just need to use this part. Since this application is using a Google account, so you can find a person that you want to chat by adding their Gmail or email address. And after you found it, you just need to go click it and the application will be bringing you into the room chat, and you just need to start chatting by filling the text on this part. Let's say hello, hi, and after that you just need to send, and you just need to wait until your friends accepting your message and reply them. And that's all. That's the way how to use Google Chat application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.